Yeah, they already broke already.
Looks like that machine.
you and your guns. We shouldn't browse further, huh?
You want to go to that side?
That side? Nah, let's stay in this side.
Like in this side?
Because there's more lighting right here.
Yeah, I understand.
Alright, look how many firefighters there are. 1, 2. Where's it? There's only 2.
1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. I counted 7
Oh, firemen?
in total.
Yeah, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, there's 7 firemen. How many cops there are? 1, 2, 3.
There's 4. I think there's 4.
Yeah. Where's the lady cop? No.
Are you sending it to
Put it on Facebook, YouTube, and send it to my friends.
¿Ya se paró? El señor está parado ahí ya.
Right now she's ripping it off.
Ay, le está diciendo así. Ya paró y le está así. Ajá, chinito.
Por eso
No, pero estaba ahí y
That's how you crash.
Dude, I want to make a joke. Can I make a joke?
Yeah.
It'll be racist, but like
doesn't matter.
no wonder Asians can't drive that much because they can't see. Oh, I'll get wrecked. I'm just kidding.
Just say, as you can drive.
Yeah,
Episode 1.
this is the 3rd episode right now. Right now, it's 2 minutes. The first one was like 1 minute already. My dad's over there.
Well, metal piece. Imagine.
That's not metal. ¿De quién es este? ¿De quién es?
It's her.
Who's? Oh, yeah. Is this your car? Hay un piece ahí.
Uy, ay, hijo, ¿cómo que era la recuerdo?
Pues sí, ¿no?
From that car. No, it's her car.
Yeah, it is her car, yeah, because of the color.
Okay, I'm gonna count it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8.
Now there's 8? There's 8 firemen now.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, I got 8.
9.
Oh, 9.
Nine.
No. 1, 2. I'll count with 7 again.
Yeah, I'm getting confused. Look, alright, they're getting the old man. Alright, they're getting the
I feel like weird. I feel like he was drunk.
I think he is, Sean.
This is broken leg.
He does?
I think I could tell. I feel.
It looks like it. Not. Can you get out of the way? Damn. He doesn't really look old. He has a weird hairstyle.
That's awesome. I like it.
The hairstyle?
Yeah.
Yeah, he might be drunk. Dude, the light's flashing on the camera, so it's freaking light is flashing.
I might get something from the project to work on my project. I have a project due.
You have a project, the car project too?
But to be anything, I want it to be electronic.
I do the TNT too. Make it out of rubber band.
Nah, I'd rather do it to electronic.
Oh, you could use electronic. Oh.
He's wrong or sick? Huh? He's wrong? Yeah. He's sick.
My phone got scared. So many scratches.
Un par de meses te vuelvo un Netflix. Bro,
It's just too blurry. I want it to be all good. They're laying him down. My hands are hurting there. Dude, oh fuck. Flashlight.
You want to come? Oh, I thought he wants to come. You want to come back here tomorrow?
Yeah, sure. Let's see like the card.
Pieces. I want to find some pieces.
Like the glasses, huh? I'm gonna get the glasses like so I could show, you know,
Your friend?
the YouTube record.
And then and just put like pictures of found pieces.
Yeah. Broken glass.
Come here.
Yeah?
I don't think he's here. I feel like he's dead.
Well, yeah, cause of the car. Cause you know, if you're in a car crash, you like lose your hearing for like a little while.
Yeah.
How do I know? Cause Angel has felt it already. He's been in a car crash. Yeah. You know how he had like a thing right here? Yeah, that's part of the car crash. He said like a glass stab inside it.
It's gonna lift up.
Espérame.
Va abierto, ¿verdad? Va tomado, ¿va?
¿Se ve?
I can smell the beer.
Yeah, I can smell. Yeah, sí.
¿O si te
Puedes volar. Pues. O si no, son ellos. Actually, it doesn't look like he's Asian. He's not Asian.
Yeah, his hand was bleeding.
No tiene flash.
His hand was bleeding.
Yeah, I know. Dude, the car got fucked up.
¿Es chinito, ah?
No.
No, he doesn't look
But-
like a ham.
¿No es chino?
No, ya no.
You say it.
¿No es chino?
Sí, mira.
¿Latino?
Se mira latino, pues.
Inside there, it
No,
did
digo,
look
yo digo, ¿es chino o es latino?
No sabemos todos.
Van a levantar
Yeah, you know, yeah.
Coche,
Alright,
carro.
let's go.